I bet you didn't know transferring USDT could be this easy. Many people think it's a complicated process, but with the right steps, it can be straightforward and hassle-free. Today, we're going to walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance without any issues. Let's break it down step by step. By following these instructions, you'll be able to move your funds securely and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, we'll import your wallet. This is a crucial step because it ensures that you have access to your funds on a different platform. Using your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is like the master key to your wallet. It's a series of words that gives you access to your funds, so make sure you have it written down and stored securely. If you can't access your OKX wallet directly, don't worry. There are alternative methods to get your funds transferred. Use a wallet app like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. These apps are widely used and trusted in the crypto community. They provide a secure way to manage your funds and make transfers. Open the app, select Import Wallet, and follow the prompts. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Enter your 12-word seed phrase, carefully ensuring each word is correct. This step is critical because any mistake can prevent you from accessing your funds. And set a new password. Simple, right? This password will add an extra layer of security to your wallet, so make sure it's strong and unique. Next, check the blockchain network your USDT is on. This is important because USDT can exist on multiple blockchains, and you need to ensure you're using the correct one for your transfer your USDT is on. This information can usually be found in your wallet or on the exchange where you hold your USDT. USDT can be on Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, or Binance Smart Chain, BP20. Each of these blockchains has its own advantages and transaction fees, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Make sure to verify which blockchain your USDT uses by checking OKX or using block explorers like Etherscan or TronScan. These tools provide detailed information about your transactions and the blockchain network your USDT is on. Now let's get your Binance deposit address. This is the address where you'll be sending your USDT, so it's crucial to get it right. Log into your Binance account, go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. This section of Binance is where you can manage all your different cryptocurrencies. Find USDT and click Deposit. This will generate a deposit address for you, which you'll need for the transfer. Choose the blockchain network that matches your USDT and copy the deposit address. Double-check this address to ensure it's correct, as sending USDT to the wrong address can result in a loss of funds. Time to transfer USDT from your wallet. This is the final step in the process, and it's important to follow it carefully. Open the imported wallet, select USDT, and click Send. This will initiate the transfer process. Paste the Binance deposit address, select the correct blockchain network, and set the amount to transfer. Make sure you have enough native cryptocurrency for gas fees. Gas fees are the transaction fees required to process your transfer on the blockchain. Finally, wait for confirmation. Blockchain transactions can take some time to process, so be patient. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, Binance will credit the USDT to your account. You can track the transaction using a block explorer with the provided transaction hash. Remember, double-check addresses and networks to avoid losing your funds. And keep your seed phrase private. Your seed phrase is the key to your wallet, so never share it with anyone. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. We hope this guide has been helpful, and that you can now transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance with confidence. Happy trading, and stay safe in the crypto world. Remember, the crypto world is full of opportunities, but it's also important to stay informed and cautious. Always double-check your steps and ensure you're following best practices to keep your funds secure. And don't forget to keep an eye on gas fees, as they can vary depending on the blockchain network you're using. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, Binance will credit the USDT to your account. Use a block explorer to track the transaction with the provided transaction hash. Remember, double-check addresses and networks to avoid losing your funds. And keep your seed phrase private. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips.